Trio on Verdery. I read at a 2011 edition of Fortune or Forbes magazine that the CEO of General Electric made the statement, a non-human mammal could have run General Electric during the 1990s, even a specific form of non-human mammal. Now I've noticed the Mafia, everyone, Mutiny Against the Mafia, uses comparisons of people to non-human mammals as part of their techniques of suggesting to people what perhaps possible roles are for those people. So with the chairman of GE using that same lingo, we could ask ourselves, is General Electric compromised or non-compromised from the Mafia? If they are, does that mean that all the nuclear plants, nuclear weapons, as well as the many milder, valuable things that General Electric makes, as well as weapons of war that General Electric makes, are these in some ways compromised, or do they have pre-structured, crackable pathways? Is there any reason to believe that the software that runs nuclear plants doesn't have pre-made things that a nuclear terrorist could use to wreck them? Well, rather than concentrate on just a particular company or a particular person, I think that perhaps the federal government or any kind of organization that would like greater truth and functionality of the kinds of things that it makes its civil infrastructure out of, use a system similar to the echelon system to look for those most frequent pieces of Mafia lingo. Then it could make a list of those companies worldwide, of every nationality, that use the most organized crime lingo at their written communications, as well as perhaps their telephone communications, to the extent that the echelon system has monitored them. Then people or governments who would prefer to avoid making things out of materials that may be compromised from organized crime can choose those companies that have the least amount of organized crime influence. Mutiny Against the Mafia.